And we are most lively and filled with the holiday spirit here from the ever-fabulous studios of David and David. It's over to you, David.
Well, thanks. And thanks, Larry, for your expert work on the camera tonight. We are on our second night of our Hanukkah celebration. And I think Larry's going to light the Hanukkah candle for us. Use the helper candle.
It's day number 2.
I know. I know.
There's one.
Happy Hanukkah, friends. And we'd like to give a big shout out to superfan Mariette, who fessed up to sending us the wonderful assortment of goodies that we needed. So next week, after our Hanukkah celebration is complete, we will have to use cinnamon sticks in something really tasty. Thank you, Mariette. Tonight, we are continuing our rather, maybe somewhat irreverent celebration of Hanukkah with a Maccabee Mosh. The Maccabees were the people who were, they were revolting. Oh, there's that song in Matilda about we are revolting children. Remember that song? Okay. Anyway, the Maccabean revolt. They were holed up in the temple. They only had enough oil to last one day, but it lasted 8, and thus the festival of Hanukkah. So the Maccabee Mosh, like all of our drinks, include the favorite Seder wine, Manischewitz.
The ever-tasty Manischewitz Concord grade wine.
Ever-tasty. It's the Vesper Lounge. All of these drinks come courtesy of the Vesper Lounge in Denver. This one, again, is made right in your cocktail glass, in your Fancy Rocks glass, so you're going to need some ice in there. And this is a takeoff on a very popular drink in Argentina called a coca vino, which is half parts cola and half part red wine, equal parts. So this is a takeoff on that. So for our red wine, we are using 2 ounces of the Manischewitz Concord grape wine.
In it goes.
And then, to add a little extra flav, you add some cherry herring, which is a cherry liqueur, and you put in 1 ounce of that.
A cherry Coke vibe.
Yes, exactly. And then you use a cola. We're using Coke Zero because that's what we have in the house. And it calls for 4 ounces, but you know what? I'm just going to fill it up with that. I think this is going to be a pretty strong drink. We'll see. Then we're going to use our physical distancing spoon because, we need to be very careful. Stay safe out there, my friends. Stay healthy. Okay.
Now that looks tasty.
That does look tasty. And it's garnished with a lemon wedge. We're going to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice in there, too. Because that's always tasty with a cola. All right. You ready? Time for the taste.
The acid test.
Like that. Your dentist would not like that because it is really sweet, and I can't imagine if you use full sugar Coke on it, what would happen. But it's very tasty. It tastes like an extra fruity,
Nice.
an extra fruity cherry Coke. It's really quite tasty. You would want to make this at home, but who really has Manischewitz? How much was this bottle of Manischewitz, Larry, when we sent you out to get it?
We'd have to go back to the budget.
We'd have to look at that particular line item.
I hardly think it broke the bank.
Okay, yeah. I don't think it's a finer wine. So again,
Sort of the exact opposite of a fine wine.
Yes. So Manischewitz, cherry herring, and some Coke. A little squirt of lemon. It's delicious. Happy Hanukkah, friends. See you next week.
Happy Hanukkah, everyone. Tune in tomorrow. No, actually, tune in Monday.